What's going on, guys? I know it's been a long time, haven't posted a video, but I've been really busy, really busy. But today gonna show y'all another reason why I haven't really been on the putting videos about the Cobalt. So I got this downpipe right here. Purchased it off some guy a while back. It's supposed to be a CCP 3-inch to 2.5-inch at the end. Got it for real cheap, so, and good thing I did, cause I'm gonna show y'all something real quick on why, like I said, I haven't driven the Cobalt. So this is the reason why I haven't driven the Cobalt. Oh, I drove it, but it is fucking loud and annoying and embarrassing. So that's my stock exhaust. It has a big hole in it. And I would show you right now, but the car's, you know, lifted up, so I don't know if the oil is good on it or anything. So I really don't want to mess with it, and I do not want to turn it on as I'm down here. At first I thought it was like just a gasket or something, but nope. That's the problem right there. So hopefully that thing right there works out perfectly for what I needed. Hopefully it reaches all the way. I measured it and it should reach, but if not, I'm gonna be pissed. But oh well. Stock exhaust. I'll probably just end up changing it all. This is another thing I'm gonna change. So I've noticed that my temperature, my running temperature has been really high. Oh, sorry about that. So I've noticed my temperature has been running really high, and I think I found the fault right here. This is the supercharger water pump. I don't know why this camera always does this. So yeah, as you can tell, this thing is old, rusty, so I'm sure this is out already. I'm sure if I change this on my car, it'll give me way better performance. So that's another thing that I'll be changing soon. At first I didn't really know where it was located at, but now it's right in front of the car, so I'll be changing that. Hopefully I could get this downpipe out right now. I'm probably gonna go get something to eat real quick and then come back out here and finish this, but hopefully I could get it out so I could show you a clear picture of how big the hole is. It's crazy. So I've actually decided to just show you guys real quick how loud it is. I'll just turn it on. You could even hear it in the car. It's super fucking loud. Just so you could get a clear picture of what I'm talking about. But yeah, I don't know if the camera catches it, but it would be quick. Yeah, it is super loud, and I really get embarrassed when I'm driving the car because I can't even step on the gas without it being so fucking loud, and just annoying. Hopefully I get it fixed. So this is the exhaust. Put on gloves because I'm touching the camera, so I don't want to dirty it, but look at this thing right here. Wow. Comparison right there. So I'm gonna install that one out. I don't think I'll change the O2 sensor because actually that looks brand new. So yep. And for anybody trying to switch like their downpipe, if you have Cobalt, so it's a 3-bolt flange. So it's actually where I showed you where the hose at, and all these you can use a 9/16 or a 14mm socket, and then it should come right out. Alright guys, so I just finished installing the downpipe. Can't really see under here. Start. Give it a start right now just to see how it sounds, but let me go ahead and start it again. It sounds like I still have an exhaust leak, but not from the front anymore now. It sounds like it's coming from the back now. So see, so it sounds like I have an exhaust leak. I'll get to it next time, but yep. Old downpipe, big hole. And I'll probably do some test hits right now, just to see how the car's running. And yep, pretty happy about it. Alright guys, so my GoPro's dead, so I wanted to really record on my GoPro, so right now don't do with me, but when I had the exhaust leak, I couldn't even hear, like now I can hear the supercharger if I so you probably can't hear it because I have a freaking window. It sounds so weird. I was so used to the exhaust leak, like I was just so used to it. And I guess I'm gonna do a second gear pull, since I could probably do it with one hand. Alright, let me get around 30. Nah, let's do a 40. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so it's definitely better. So yeah, it's definitely better, because at one point it was basically when I had the exhaust leak, obviously the O2 sensor was reading it wrong, so as soon as I try to do a hit, it would just start misfiring like crazy. So yeah, this fixed the problem. I don't really know how much faster it is, but I mean, I like how it's pulling right now. It just, to me, it seems like, I don't know if I really did gain anything, because I mean, I don't have a tune for it, so it's probably another reason too. And from a downpipe, you're not really gonna see much of a difference, but I don't know, just the sound, like it was so damn loud in here, like just in my cabin, it was so damn fucking loud that it was just annoying. But yeah guys, it's a change your exhaust. It's actually a one-man job. You can do it, that's, you know, a one-man job. I did it by myself in 2 hours, you know, and I did struggle a little bit because, you know, I had to be holding up the exhaust. I was putting the jack stand on it and doing all that, but yeah, it's doable with one person. I'm sorry this is a short video, but hopefully now that I got the exhaust leak fixed on the Cobalt, hopefully I can go to some of the night meets and see how the car is doing now. But thanks for sticking around guys, and I see that my channel got a lot of new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing guys. And yeah, a lot of things in the past few months that I haven't posted videos, a lot of things happened in my life that I'm 23 years old. I just turned 23 and I'm pretty proud to be at where I'm at for the age that I am. So yeah guys, I appreciate all the support and I love you guys. Just stick around. That's pull of the day. Ooh. Even get some wheel spin.